Scuba dooba dumpling.
Poopy doopy pumpkin.
Monkey watermelon.
My question is, what's a monkey watermelon? Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be drawing the oh so cute B.M.O from Adventure Time, so let's begin. We're going to start off by drawing a long line going down, and this is going to be his boxy body. You're going to want to do the same thing on the other side, so once again draw a line straight down and about here. Let's connect it. So from the bottom, let's draw a straight line connecting. You can kind of curve it, it's fine. Just close the box. So from here, we're going to connect it and stop right here. Perfect. Now we're going to draw B.M.O's side of his body. So we're going to draw here, and we're going to also bring it down kind of slanted and bring the line down and connect it. We're now going to make his arms, so you want to draw a C shape right here, and then we're going to draw a long noodly shape, so kind of curving upwards. We're going to draw his arm and then round it out and make little bumps. I used 3 bumps to make his fingers, and then we're going to draw another noodle line and connect it. Now let's close the gap right here, so bring it down and connect it. If you have a pencil, you can erase this line right here, just like I did. Now let's draw the other arm. So the same thing, we're going to draw a curved arm, but it's going to go down and give it little bumps like last time and bring it back up. Let's draw B.M.O's feet. So starting from the middle of his body, you want to draw a straight line, kind of short going down from here and stop right here. Then we're going to curve it around and then bring it back up. And you want to do the same thing on this side. So bring a line down and then curve it and then bring it back up again and connect it to its body. Great, now it has feet. Now let's start going to his face. So we're going to be drawing a rectangular shape. So kind of just draw it all around. Great, now we can draw its eyes. So draw 2 little circles. So we're going to start one right here. Give it a little bit of a distance and draw the next one. Now we're going to draw its mouth, and it's kind of shaped as a jelly bean, so let's just make a big jelly bean. So go around, curve down, and then connect it. Great, we're getting close. So we're going to draw buttons first. We're going to draw a rectangle here. So kind of draw the 2 sides and then connect it. Let's make a long rectangle. Now we're going to draw a small circle next to it. So draw tiny circle right here. Great. Now let's draw this big plus shape, so bring it down, and little by little you want to make these small little, they're not really squares, but you see what I'm doing. You're just kind of drawing a big plus sign. And now let's draw the rest of its button. So we're going to make a triangle shape right here next to the plus sign. So 1, 2, 3, yay! Okay, and then now we're going to draw a circle. So a small circle right here. And then we're going to draw a bigger circle. So a little bit beneath it, just draw a big circle and connect it. Coolio, in the last 2 buttons, we're going to draw long rectangles again. So just like this. And then another one. And then right there. Great! Now let's draw its name on the side. So B.M.O, right? So we're going to draw a big B. Make sure you have enough space. So we're going to start here. And we're going to draw a 3D big B. So, and then what we're going to do is we're going to make the little holes in the letters like that. Just really make it look like a 3D B. Cool. Now we're going to have to make the M, right? So we're going to start right here. And draw 2 sticks kind of going here and one right here. We're going to make a little line and another one right here. Make a little valley Beneath that valley, we're going to make a line, and then bring that up, another one up, bring it down, this side as well, and connect both sides. Now we have an M. That's so cool, right? Lastly, we're going to draw its speaker holes. So we're going to draw a dot in the middle, and then another one up here, another one here, another one there, and another one there. So we have kind of like an X shape, right? And then now you're going to draw another one to the side, and then the other side. So we kind of have like this weird shape going on, and that's kind of what you want. We are done with the drawing. Oh yeah! I hope you liked it, because this was actually very fun. I'm going to be coloring it now. You can kind of follow and see how I color it, so you can get an idea of what it should look like. So here we go. Thank you so much for watching. If you had fun, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope I could see you watch more, I guess. I don't know. I just hope more people watch, so, you know. Okay, bye. Don't forget to subscribe.